Let's look at this example as example 9 under circle geometry 1. Example 9 under circle geometry 1. Now, if you look at this question, we have a square, sorry, we have a circle, and we have two triangles. One is this, and the other one is this. We also have what? A quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. So in which that we are to look for M and N. We are to determine the values of M and N. So how do we go about this? You need to consider the first triangle. This is the first triangle. So we are going to tell us that in triangle ADQ, the first triangle ADQ. Okay, so we have an A and D Q plus D and Q A plus A and Q D, then equals what? 180 degrees. So you have to give easy. The reason why it is 180 degrees, that is some of angles of a triangle. Now, what is angle ADQ? Angle ADQ is what is N plus angle DQA is 42 degree plus and what? AQD. This is A. This is A. Let's say Q, sorry, should be Q and AD, which is N, then equals 180 degree. So when you bring this together, you are going to have N plus N equals to 180 degree. Then let this one come to that side, give you minus 42 degree. Therefore, your N plus N is going to be 180 minus 42. So what do we have? This one will give you 8, 7, we have 3, 1. So we have 138 degree. So you can call this one equation 1. Then after that, the second triangle is this, which is what? ARD or ABR. Okay? But in this second triangle, we have N, we have a 20, but we don't know this angle. So before we can make use of this triangle, which is A, B, R, we need to know this side. So in this case, you are going to tell us A angle B C plus A angle B C. That is 180 degree. What is the reason? That is opposite angles. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. So that is really opposite angle. That is this angle and this angle. They are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. And what is cyclic quadrilateral? That is opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral are what? Are supplementary angle. That is when you add the two together, it will give you 180 degree. That is in our cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? So in this case, we have N plus, okay, let me put it in form of angle. You have A and D, C, then plus, okay, Z and A. What is A and B, C? We don't know it. A angle BC, then plus what is A angle DC, which is what? N, then equals 180 degree. So what is the next thing? Make N the subject of the formula. We give you N equals what? We have A, B, C as the required, which is A, B, C as the required. Then equals to 180 degree, then minus A. So you can call this one equation 2. Equation 2. Now what is the next thing? Let's go to the third. Let's go to the second angle. Let's go to the second angle. The second angle is what? A triangle. This is the second angle. ABR. ABR. This is the second triangle. Okay, so we have ARB. We have A angle RB, then plus A angle BC. We have A angle BC, then plus what? Plus A angle. This is A, okay, let's say B and AR. This is B and AR. Then equals to 180 degree. And what is the reading? What is the reading? That is sum of angles of a triangle. Now, what is ARB? This is ARB as 20 degree, then plus ABC. This is ABC or ABR as what? That's what we are looking for. ABC, then plus. Don't forget that our ABC is already A and BC as 180 degree minus A, then plus the last one, which is B, which is BAR, which is N, then equals to 180 degree. So what is the next thing? We have minus N plus N equals to 180 degree. Bring this 180 degree to the other side, it give you minus 180 degree. Then this plus 20 to the other side, give you minus 20 degree. So 180 degree becomes 180 degree. Therefore, your N minus N is going to be minus 20 degree. So which you can call this one equation 3. Equation 3. Equation 3. And what is the next thing? What is the next thing? You solve equation 1 and equation 3 at the same time. That you solve equation 1 and equation 3 simultaneously. Simultaneously.